Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor, just getting adjusted in my chair. I've worked thousands of cases, as you can tell. I worked at IRS for 10 long years, and I've been doing tax defense for 41 years. I was a offer and compromise instructor at the IRS. I used to accept, and then I offer, so obviously I know what I'm doing. So if you want to file your own offer and compromise, first of all, I tell you good luck. IRS makes this tough for professionals, let alone individuals. Um, it's tough. It's tough to get your offer approved. I'm not going to lie to you, but I'm telling you everything that I know. Being a former IRS agent, I'm telling you this from an IRS perspective side. Um, IRS accepted 13,000 offers and compromises last year. It's about 30% acceptance rate. As you can imagine, most were filed by professionals. So with that said, you're going to have to do a lot of study and due diligence to file your own offer. There's a lot that goes into the offer, the timing on it, when you file. You have to make sure all your tax returns are filed. You got if you're self-employed, your estimate payments have got to be made. Otherwise, IRS is going to reject it. But there's two forms that you have to fill out and send to IRS. The first is the 433A OIC. That's the financial statement that they want. You want to fill that out absolutely correct. IRS will look for any mistakes and send it back. So you've got to make sure more than anything that financial statement is documented right. You also want to pick the time when you're going to file and file, because if you're starting to do good and your income's going up, IRS is going to say, well, they can probably pay. So you really got to file that offer probably kind of during a low 6-month period of time. So you just don't want to be spiking up on income to go ahead and file it. The other form that you're going to need is the 656 form. That's where you actually make your offer. So I just want you to know those are the two forms, the 433A OIC and the 656. Now, know on the 433A OIC, you've got to have that documented. IRS is going to want payoffs on everything. They're going to want to see your bank statements. Any number that you put on that form, IRS is going to want to see. So it's going to take patience. It may take 3-4 hours to fill that out, to get everything correct, because it has to be very concise, because IRS does a lot of due diligence. They just don't say, yeah, that looks good. No, 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 no. As a former agent, I used to have to dig into these offers, maybe spend 5 to 10 to 15 hours to see whether we wanted the offer or not. The other thing that I want to tell you that's really important, put a cover letter on it. Put a 2-page cover letter on it. A lot of people don't know that because they don't know that. Why do you do that? Because when you work offers at IRS, one after the other, after the other, after the other, after the other, you just can't separate them. One's just, they all turn into one. So when you file, put a cover letter on yours, 2 pages. You state on there why you can't pay, maybe the difficulties you're going through with exhibits. So it makes it stand out, so you put bones and flesh on your offer and compromise. So if you're going to go ahead and file your own offer, pray, keep every finger crossed you have, pray is more important, and then go from there. Give me a subscription if you would. Thank you so much.